If your home's price tag is just a wild guess, you're risking a slow sale or leaving serious cash behind. Let's fix that and get it right. First, what even are comps? Comps or comparables are homes near yours that sold recently. Think same neighborhood, similar size, similar features. These sales are your secret weapon for smart pricing. So how do you find them? Start with a quick search on real estate sites or ask a local agent for a free CMA. Look for homes sold within the last 3 to 6 months. The more recent, the better. Now compare apples to apples. Check the square footage, number of bedrooms, bathrooms, and any upgrades, like a new kitchen or finished basement. Adjust your expectations if your place is missing features or if the neighbor's house had major upgrades. Once you have a handful of solid comps, spot the trends. Are homes selling above list price? Below? This tells you if the market's red hot or a little chilly. Finally, set your price slightly above the midpoint, just enough room to negotiate, but close enough to attract buyers. Avoid the temptation to overprice. A home that sits too long gets ignored. Remember, pricing your home right from the start means less stress, more interest, and better results. So don't just guess, use comps like a pro, and watch your home fly off the market.